Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn Bhajani Theka. Why I am showing you the Bhajani Theka? Why this video is for? Because the continuation of this video is followed by a beautiful song. It's a bhajan song which is Achyutam Keshavam. Now Achyutam Keshavam background music will be played a Bhajani Theka. Now, what is Bhajani Theka? How to understand it? That is our primary objective. If we clear on this, then we can go forward to play Achyutam Keshavam. Okay. So, without wasting time, let me present you the Bhajani Theka tal details and how we can show this in hand, that we will know, and I will show you how to play the next part of this video, because next video will come where I will show you how to play Achyutam Keshavam with Bhajani Theka. Okay, let me start. So, in the screen, you can see Bhajani Theka, right? The picture of Bhajani Theka. First of all, it is the 8 matra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is matra 8. Okay. Tali is 1. What I am showing this. Khali is 1. Tali is first matra and fifth matra is a khali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So you can see it has been given on the screen like dhin na, dhin dhina, dhin na, tin tina. Okay. Let me repeat it once more time. Dhin na, dhin dhina, dhin na, tin tina. Dhinna dhin dina, dhinna tin tina, dhinna dhin dina, dhinna dhin dina, tinna tin tina, dhinna dhin dina, tinna tin tina, dhinna dhin dina, tinna tin tina. Like this way it will go forward. So when you are presenting someone Bhajani Theka, always do like dhin na dhin, dhin na dhin, dhin na dhin, dhin na dhin dhina. So dhin na dhin, dhin na dhin, dhin na, dhin na dhin dhina, dhin na tin tina. And it is supposed to complete it, the rotation. Dhin na dhin dhina, dhin na tin tina, dhin is a complete of avartan. Okay. So this is called Bhajani Theka. Now let me play the Bhajani Theka for you. Dhinna dhin dhina, tinna tin tina, dhinna tin dhina, tinna tin tina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So before we go ahead, understand the tal, how does it starting. Dhin, it is a primary objective. If you are not finding the dhin, then you will miss other sections also. So dhin is, it will be very loud sound because it is shom. Shom will be very louder sound. You can one more time I am playing, you will listen it. It is dhin, dhin, tin, dhin, tin, dhin, tin. This you need to find it first. What is dhin? What is tin? Means where is shom? Where is fang? Dhin, 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 dhin dhinna dhin dhinna, dhinna tin dhinna, dhinna dhin dhinna, dhinna tin dhinna. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Hope you are clear with this Bhajani Theka. Please, followed. You will get. Understand this Bhajani Theka first, and do like this. Find the Som, where is Som and where is Fak. Then you can take any bhajan song, and you can see in your hand how does it fit. So that is the example we will show as Achyutam Keshavam. In Achyutam Keshavam, we will again let you know how we are moving my fingers, how does it working. Okay, where is Som is coming, where is Tal is Fak is coming, that I will explain. Please stay connected. I will give a part 2 of this video, where I will explain Achyutam Keshavam. Okay, take care. Bye bye.